Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to check if an object is empty in the JavaScript or not. Sometimes we have an empty object, then how we can calculate whether it is object is empty or not. Array we know that array dot length it will give the result whether the length is 0 or 1, right, or greater than 1, right. So here we are going to check object is empty or not. So let's go to the code. So here we have the object, current we have the object. If I'm going to print it, so how we are going to check it? So let's comment this and add the code. Sorry. So here we are going to add console.log or const. You can where you can put where where you can say object data that is equals to object dot keys, and here we are going to get this one, my object keys. Okay, so here we are going to object keys. So here we are going to add one more parameter, that is length. Okay, we are going to console this log, console.log. We're going to know the length of that data. Let's see, it's 4, 0 1 2 1 2 3 4, right. So it's returning the length of the object. Suppose my object is empty. If I'm going to comment this full part, so how many object we have? 0. So that means the current object is empty. So here we can get this using the object dot keys value. Another method we have, let's copy and paste it. We have two methods. So I'm going to add object data 2 for now, and here we have to pass object dot values, right. Again we are going to console this. What we are going to return, will return again 0. Why? Because dot values have the same thing that we have the keys. So keys basically that keys basically for this, and values is for this. So you can both ways you can check whether the values have the length or the keys have the length. On the behalf of it, you can make a check. If it is 0 or something else, that you can put the conditions on the edit page, right, or a new page. Suppose same form you are using for the edit and the add new. So on that behalf, some of the fields that you want to hide or show, you can add the check over it, right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.